It's getting pretty messy.
Yeah, it's getting pretty messy.
The chocolate's splattered out. Got on Deja's shirt and her toe. Deja's got a chocolate toe.
Sonny, Deja play.
Hi there, good afternoon. Deja has her mama here with her, and today we're making chocolate-covered strawberry bouquets. Yeah, very fun activity to share with family.
And eat.
These make great gifts for someone special or for yourself.
They are really, really yummy.
Come on, chocolate. Go, Minnie Mouse Fountain.
Come on, Minnie Mouse, you can do it.
Dark chocolate, white chocolate, sprinkles, some washed strawberries on skewers.
This is just a Pringles can with wrapping paper on it.
But it's going to make a great face.
Look at that.
Alright, so there we made one of them so far.
This is fun.
Uh-huh. You want to make some white ones?
Yeah.
Ooh. Looking pretty good there. We're going to stick them through just like this. Alright. Got through there, didn't it? There you go. Yeah. Ooh, this is looking good.
Yeah, it is.
It'll look even better with some little wrap around it if you want.
Last one.
There you go, right there. Alright, yep, poke it through there. It just goes right through there. And it holds them up pretty good too, don't it?
It does.
Yeah. It makes a great little strawberry bouquet. Wow, that is gorgeous. Strawberry bouquet. That is so pretty. And a good thing to save your Pringle cans for. There we go. It makes a nice little small gift that you can give to somebody or keep for yourself. But they may not make it to being gifts because being so yummy, they don't stay good for long. So yeah, better safe than sorry.
So good.
So next we'll make a love bug flower pot. It's going to be really fun. We're using peanut butter Oreos. We're going to squish these.
It's Mama's favorite.
Yeah, these are my favorite. They're so good. Luckily, we even have some left. They're so good. Squish the peanut butter Oreo.
Dirt.
We need some cookie dirt. Take a really large strawberry like this. And we'll stick a skewer in there with the point at the top. Now we're going to pour our dirt in. You want to pour the dirt in there?
Yeah.
Pour it in there, and then it'll level it out and give it some stability. This is going to be our stem. Good. Squash it down. Well, I didn't have the camera pointing to make the love bugs, but we just took 2 strawberries without leaves and dipped them halfway to make the heads. Let's put some polka dots on there. And how about just a line going down the back for its wings? This is so fun because it don't matter how it looks, it's still yummy and it's still going to be great because art is art. It's a plus if you can get the design just right, but they're just going to get 8 anyway, so they're great. want to use these chocolate chips for the little pupils?
Yeah.
It is really bug-eyed now. Bug-eyed.
Here's one.
We'll start making a little flower. We'll make the rest of this pink for the middle of the flower. Building the flower. Sticking the petals on. Little bitty bitty strawberry petals. Good job. Was it stuck? Oh, it's because there's a stick in the way. You did good. There you go. Okay, now I'll put one in.
This is so much fun.
It sure is. And there we go. There's our flower.
I think love bugs are dry.
Now we'll put them in their little home. Oh, they're just gonna fly there, huh? They look so yummy and cute. It's bugging us. Ribbon on there. And there we go. Well, you guys have an awesome day. Happy Valentine's from Sunny Deja Play. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.